part number 63V44352-01. There's the impeller. Oh, I don't know. There's the bad boy.
Okay, take all 4 bolts out as well as the 4 washers. Put the shifter into reverse and remove the shifter linkage lower nut only, not the top nut. Put it in a place safe so you can reinstall it later. Remove the impeller housing. There's 4 nuts. Then just slide it up off the shaft.
Wow. Yeah, it's
looks
toes.
like it's threaded on there.
No, it's not. No, it slides down. It's just a rubber.
Tight rubber.
There it is. Oh, there's a key on it. See the key right there?
Yeah.
We don't want to lose that. Let's see. That'll do it. A little dab will do ya. We'll push it back down a little bit. I want to get that key before I lose it. It's not coming out.
I'm
gonna leave it there. If it won't come out, I'm just gonna leave it there. Come on. There it goes. Once it gets some of that grease, it'll go right off.
Looks like it needs to be. Looks like there's a little bit of rust it's trying to get beyond.
Yeah. I hear that. It's coming. We'll just take our time with it. Might be able to just pull it off, you know. Grab it with these. That isn't working. Let's just push it. That isn't working. Don't want to lose
Bigger
this
hammer.
key. Ho, 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 ho.
Well, that'll give you some
No,
pry.
wait.
That's pry power.
Wait.
All right.
Okay, now it moved. Oh. Get something bigger to try. Ho. Okay. I think once it gets some of that oil on it, come right there, off. Okay, hold. Spin the thing. Try it from that side. There it goes. Okay.
Oh.
Part of your GoPro?
Part of your GoPro.
Oh. Let's clean that up a little bit.
Get this right here. Secure this right here first, Danny.
Okay. Okay, make sure that you got that little slot there. Goes into this key right there. Tight. Oh wait, I need to mark where the key is. That's the thing to do.
Okay.
Take this off. Boys.
You might have to really clean that. Yours doesn't go beep when it turns on. Hammer it over top of that. Have to hammer it over top of that rust. Or something.
Where's that behind? This one?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, the shaft.
Got it?
Yeah.
There, it's on. Yeah, we did it, we did it, we did it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just put this thing back together. Yeah. Can't see you in the shade there, though.
Little teeny keyway right there.
Okay.
And you can see the little tip mark.
Okay. That's where it goes.
That'll be in there. So it won't move.
And you're like in the light where you're sitting. It's like... Yeah, yeah.
You only go on one way. There's a keyway. Turn it over.
Yeah, yeah.
See that little-
Just
The holes, the two holes.
thinking about it. It goes
Just turn it 180 degrees.
this way?
Just like that.
Sure.
Yep.
Where you say there's a keyway.
Right there. There's two holes. Turn it over. See those two holes?
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. So, going on and on. Okay, now this you have to twist so you can get the there. Get the rubber things to bend and,
Yep,
and
yep.
go in there. I think we did it.
We're practically done.
Now, saddle back. This one. 2. Saddle back. Oh, this is backwards. Whoopsie. Goes this way. Okay. Yeah. I thought it went on the other side, but they only go one way on each side. Okay. Shit, that's kind of tight.
Yeah, that one was not easy.
We'll put some shit down in it.
You got it? Got it, Danny?
I got it. Yeah. Put some shit in your hole, baby. Beavis and Butthead. Yeah.
that's a tight wiggler no matter what. I wonder if I tried a different bolt. Yeah, screw it. This one's kind of tight too. Working with what you got. It ain't a lot. Alright, ratchet. Ha! I got this, so you can use two hands. That one's nice and easy. This is the hard one. We're halfway done, man. Probably more than halfway, right? Okay, get in there. Right. Get in there. Deep six.
When reinstalling the lower unit, this little rubber hose goes over the top of a little pipe inside. You can see it as you're starting to line up if you look up inside the hole. And remember that this little rubber tube goes over the top of that pipe. If it doesn't, it won't work.
Things never fell off. Got it? Yeah. That bag's killing me. Take a break for a minute. Keep going. I can't finish this motherfucker. Lower linkage of the shifter, there has to be a little bit of separation between the lower shaft and the upper shaft in order for this to go in reverse. So what you have to do is you have to drop this lower unit about 1/4 inch for separation here, and then just pull make sure it's in reverse, the lower portion, lower linkage, and you just pull that nut down a little bit, and then back this one off so that you have some area between the upper linkage and lower linkage. And then once you have about 1/4 inch or so of separation, then you can just tighten this back down onto the lower shaft linkage and it'll go in reverse. There's your water. And we'll check forward and reverse. There's forward. Looks good. Neutral. And reverse. You saw it kick up a little bit. Definitely in reverse. And you know, you might check it a couple of times there just to make sure your linkage is just so, because you want to be able to put it in reverse. If it's not going into reverse, you need to make some more separation between the upper shaft and the lower shaft of the shifter. And then tighten down that nut. Just put it over the bottom piece of the shifter shaft. As long as you got to have some separation in there. Don't forget, you can't just move the coupler nut up and down on those shafts if they're put together. It won't change the distance of the linkage at all. I got it. We'll do that. Another job well done. Forward, neutral, and reverse. You saw it kick up again. That's how you know it's going in reverse. It kicks up a little bit. It's all good.